Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing good. I have received some requests from my subscribers asking me to show them how to connect their seed with OKX wallet. As you all know, seed is listing this month, so they have introduced where you are going to connect your OKX wallet. It's in the app right now, and they're asking all their members, the people who participate in this airdrop, to go and connect their wallet. And connecting the wallet, some people are finding it difficult. All right, so I'm going to show you the step by step what you are going to do. First of all, you need to find a very good VPN. All right, you need to find a very good VPN. All right, so I'm talking about those that live in Nigeria. Those that live in Nigeria, you need to find VPN. But if you are not from Nigeria, if you are from other countries, it's okay, you can just use it anyhow, all right, without using any VPN. All right, so before we start, if you know you are new to my channel, I need you to go and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe, all right, because I will be updating you back to back. All right, touch play here. Let's open the app here. As you can see, my VPN is working. I have on my VPN. All right, I have on my VPN. And if you want to use the VPN, I suggest you use Windscribe VPN. All right, so as you can see here, you can go to earn. If you want to connect the wallet, just go to earn here. Down here you see earn, you touch on here. When you touch on here, they are going to brought you here. This is the new tax they brought to the app. So first of all, what you are going to do is you need to connect your OKX Ton wallet, OKX/Ton wallet. Here it is. Then mint NFT. You see these are new tax here, a new tax. And I'm going to show you something here. When you come back to airdrop here, when you touch airdrop here, you are going to see it here. You see where withdrawal is, not where the points are, where you see withdrawal here. Withdrawal, they say listing date is November. This month is November, so this month we have already done with the half of this month. It's only the remaining half. So here is what they say: connect OKX wallet, and it's working here. If you like, you can connect from here, but we are not going to connect from here. We are going back to connect from where the task is, so that we can get the reward for the wallet connection. All right, let's go back to earn here. You touch on here, you come back here. As you can see, connect OKX wallet, then you touch it. You have to make sure your VPN is working, and make sure you can put your VPN in USA, in America, or any other European country. All right, then you press start here. When you press start here, it is going to take you directly to your OKX wallet if you have the wallet already. All right, as you can see here, it will brought you here, and you are going to see a button to connect wallet. As you can see here, if you want to cancel, you touch here and cancel, and if you want to connect, you just touch connect. As you can see, the network is Ton network, and the wallet uses wallet A. All right, so let's connect. Let's touch connect here. As you can see, we are connecting here. All right, sign in this message request, whatever. As you can see here is your address, connect wallet A. All right, then you confirm. Then you put your fingerprint. As you can see, we have connected our wallet. Then this Ton wallet will be linked to your account and cannot be changed. Are you sure you want to proceed? Then you press confirm. Yes, then you confirm. As you can see, we are done with the first task in here. So this is how you are going to do your wallet connection. And if you want to mint your NFT here, so the next thing is to mint NFT using OKX wallet. So if you want to mint your NFT here,